Hello everyone, my name is Cesar Augusto Suarez Bueno, and today I will show you the implementation of my lesson plan titled Mission Accomplished Operation Lost Tourist. So, this lesson is designed for students from 11 to 12 years old and an A1 English level. Our main goal was developing listening skills through a real world problem solving activity using digital tools. In this part, we divide the lesson in four parts. The first part was the pre class, a flipped classroom before the lesson. I implement the flipped classroom strategy via Google Classroom. Students have to watch a video about giving directions and complete a vocabulary check on EducaPlay. This was a short game, so interesting, and this independent work allowed them to arrive at class with the basic vocabulary needed to solve our mission. The third part was the pre-task, vocabulary review, and the case implementation. In class, we applied the problem based learning. So I presented the case of Mark. We started with the pre-task using Canva tool. So we reviewed local landmarks and also the principal vocabulary that we had to use in during the class. I introduced the problem with Mark as a tourist lost in El Rosal town, and the students performed the mental tracking by listening and watching some YouTube videos, and that was the first audio to identify his location and destination. So, moving to the during task, we applied problem based learning in groups. A student used the NERPOT tool called Draw It tool. They listen to the complex instructions and in a collaborative way, they line up the correct rescue route on a digital map presenting for the town that is the imagine on the top of this slide, and the step by step was listening, trace the route, discuss the route, and mark in the draw it tool in Nearpod. Finally, the post task solution. In the post task, the technology was the key. We used Padlet. This essential tool served as our rescue wall because the students uploaded the final routes and recorded a small radio report via Buckaroo platform, and they report how to guide Mark to surround uh, El Rosal. And we close the mission with a thank you audio. For a thank you video from YouTube uh, from the tourists confirming their success of the mission. In this final part, the assessment and learning outcomes to reflect, students posted the most useful directions on Padlet wall, and we closed with a pairing charts game that was so interesting and very interesting for the students for what that was engaging, and this progress built their confidence, and they demonstrate that they can use English to solve real word orientations issues, and they can apply in the real life for real problems, and that was so good, and they maybe make me feel so comfortable. And I think that that was a improvement way for students and me, and as a teacher. So that was a good way for this exercise. So that's all about this video. I hope you enjoyed, and thank you so much for being here. I hope you see you in a next video. Thank you so much. This was Cesar Suarez for this short video.